Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. I'm doing a special video for Brittany today. She wanted to compare our gray colored floors of our SuperCore floor, and that way she would have a better understanding of the color tones. And so here goes. Here we are looking at the SPC001 steel. It is our medium to darker gray tones. This is a section we have here in the showroom just to give you an idea of the character and the variation range of colors. And I want to go over here to the Arctic Circle, which is a lighter gray, and this is Arctic Circle in the SPC005. Quick overview of a section here. We just have a small section because we do have a lot of colors. And I can do videos for anybody. You just comment below and put in a request and we'll get to them as quickly as possible. And so here is another color of gray that is actually blended with some tan. It's the SPC010 Farmwood. So to give you an idea of comparing, I actually pulled some samples. So we've got a couple of pieces of the Arctic Circle and a couple of pieces of the steel. And I pulled two samples because there's predominantly two tones, sometimes three, in each one of these colors. So here's the steel, and here's the Arctic Circle. Hopefully this helps you understand some colors, and if you're interested in getting samples, they do look like this. They're labeled on the back. And we can send these to you. Actually, this one needs a label, but here you go. And we've got samples of pretty much everything here. So you can go to WeShipFloors.com, check these out. And again, let me know which one's your favorite. And I look forward to hearing back from Brittany about hers. Thank you so much.